Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we've got a probability question to deal with. Now they've asked us if a grade has 200. So the 200 grade 9 boys in a school play soccer, hockey, or both. If 150 boys play soccer and 130 play hockey, calculate how many of them play both soccer and hockey. So I'm going to use a Venn diagram for this. And in one circle, I'm going to say these are the guys that play soccer. And in this diagram, or in this circle, I'm going to say these are the guys that play hockey. Now we've got 200 grade 9 boys in the school, and we have 150 of them play soccer. Okay, so 150 of them play soccer. And we know that 130 of them play hockey. Okay, so let's see how we can work this out. So if we look at the soccer in particular, we know that 150 boys play soccer. So this whole circle should have 150 boys in it. Okay. If we look at our hockey, we know that we have 130 boys that play hockey there. Now, we also know that we have a total of 200 boys in the grade altogether. So if we add those two up, we automatically see that there is some sort of overlap because we have a total of 280, okay, which is 80 more than what we would expect. So with that in mind, I'm going to say that 80 boys play both soccer and hockey, which would therefore mean that 150 boys minus those 80 boys play only soccer. So that's going to be 70 boys only play soccer. And if I look at the 130, that would mean that only 50 boys play hockey. Now, if I calculate or if I add up all of those points, if I look at this part over here, 70 plus 80 gives me the 150. 80 plus 50 gives me the 130. And then 70 plus 80 gives me 150. Plus 50 gives me 200. So in all of those areas, I am correct. So I would say, therefore, that 80 boys play both soccer and hockey. And that is that. Thanks so much for joining us. Thank you very much to our sponsors for making this video possible. Be sure to find more of these epic tutorial videos on our website. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video. Until the next time, stay epic.